A boat tour in Paris typically involves cruising along the Seine River, which weaves its way through the heart of the city. This unique vantage point allows visitors to see many of Paris's most famous landmarks and districts. Here's a brief description of what you might expect during such a tour. Eiffel Tower. The tour generally starts from the vicinity of the Eiffel Tower, one of the most iconic landmarks of Paris. From the river, you'll have a unique perspective on this monumental structure. Musée d'Orsay. Next, you'll likely pass by the Musée d'Orsay, housed in a former railway station. This museum is renowned for its extensive collection of Impressionist and Post-Impressionist masterpieces. The Louvre. Further along, you'll see the Louvre, the world's largest art museum and a historic monument in Paris. The museum is located on the right bank of the Seine. Notre Dame Cathedral. Moving along, you'll come across the Isle de la Cité, home to the Notre Dame Cathedral. Though it suffered a significant fire in 2019, the silhouette of this historic cathedral is still impressive. Conciergerie. On the same island, you'll see the Conciergerie, a former royal palace and prison where Marie Antoinette was held before her execution during the French Revolution. Hôtel de Ville, City Hall. This impressive building houses the city's local administration. It's one of the largest and most notable municipal buildings in France. Latin Quarter and Saint-Germain-des-Prés on the left bank of the Seine. These historic districts are known for the vibrant intellectual and artistic life.